The UK government has announced significant changes to the recruitment of care workers in England. Starting April 9th, 2025, care providers will need to prioritise hiring international care workers already residing in the UK. This means that before looking overseas for new recruits, employers must first consider qualified individuals already working in the UK who are seeking new sponsorship. This new rule applies to skilled workers who are already living and working in the UK on existing skilled worker visas. By prioritising this pool of talent, the government hopes to reduce the administrative burden on care providers and provide a smoother transition for those already contributing to the UK care sector. This change will likely impact the recruitment strategies of care homes and agencies significantly. They will need to adapt their practices to ensure compliance with these new regulations. This may involve developing new recruitment channels or partnering with organisations that support migrant workers in the UK. This move is likely to be welcomed by migrant worker advocacy groups who have long called for greater recognition and support for this vital segment of the UK workforce. The decision to prioritise in-country care workers stems from a multifaceted rationale. One primary driver is the government's commitment to reducing reliance on overseas recruitment in the care sector. By tapping into the existing pool of skilled workers already residing in the UK, the government aims to create a more self-sufficient and sustainable care workforce. This approach aligns with broader government strategies to manage immigration levels and ensure a balanced flow of skilled workers into the UK. Furthermore, this policy shift seeks to address concerns about exploitation and abuse within the care sector. By focusing on workers already in the UK, the government can better safeguard their rights and ensure they are treated fairly. The government's move to prioritise in-country care workers represents a significant step towards creating a more ethical and sustainable care system. The UK government is taking a firm stance against exploitation within the care sector, particularly concerning migrant workers. A key element of this approach is the strict enforcement of sponsorship regulations. In recent years, the government has significantly ramped up efforts to identify and penalise employers who violate the terms of the sponsorship system. This crackdown has resulted in a wave of sponsor license revocations for care providers found guilty of breaching the rules. Beyond license revocations, the government has implemented measures to prevent the financial exploitation of care workers seeking sponsorship. One such measure prohibits employers from charging workers for the costs associated with sponsorship applications. By taking these steps, the UK aims to create a care sector where all workers are treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their nationality. Section 4. Minimum salary increase for care workers. In line with its commitment to supporting care workers, the UK government has announced an increase in the minimum hourly wage for the sector. Effective immediately, care workers, along with other skilled worker visa holders, will be entitled to a minimum hourly wage of £12.82. This wage increase is part of a broader effort to make the care sector more attractive to both domestic and international workers. By raising the minimum wage, the government aims to improve the financial security and well-being of care workers, recognizing the crucial role they play in society. This move is also expected to help address staff shortages in the care sector, making it a more competitive and appealing career choice. The salary increase will also affect other professions covered by the skilled worker visa route. By ensuring fair compensation, the UK aims to create a more sustainable and robust workforce, equipped to meet the growing demands of these essential services. Section 5. Government statements and commitments. Government officials have been vocal in their support for these new measures. Seema Malhotra, Minister for Migration and Citizenship, emphasized the government's dedication to supporting care workers and fostering a fair system. She stated, "These changes are about protecting care workers from exploitation, supporting those who are already here and contributing to our society, and building a stronger, more sustainable care sector for the future." Stephen Kinnock, Minister of State for Care, echoed this sentiment, highlighting the essential role international care workers play in the UK. He acknowledged the challenges facing the sector while emphasizing the government's commitment to tackling exploitation and ensuring ethical recruitment practices. These statements underscore the government's commitment to creating a more ethical and sustainable care sector. By prioritizing the rights and well-being of care workers, both domestic and international, the government aims to build a stronger, more resilient care system for the future. Section 6. Future of Immigration and the Care Workforce. While the new rules represent a significant shift in the UK's approach to care worker recruitment, the government has indicated that this is just one step in a broader strategy to reshape immigration policy. A forthcoming immigration white paper is expected to outline further details on plans to reduce legal migration to the UK. While the specifics of this white paper remain unknown, it is anticipated to include measures aimed at reducing the UK's reliance on migrant labour across various sectors, not just care work. The impact of these future changes on the care sector, already grappling with staffing shortages, remains to be seen. The government faces the complex challenge of balancing the need to control immigration with ensuring that essential sectors like care work have access to the workforce they need. That's a wrap on the new rules for prioritizing care worker recruitment in England. What do you think? Will these changes help fix the shortage, or is more still needed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on important topics that matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.